Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time for another GoSkills challenge. Let's put your Excel skills to the test. Our Excel expert Claudia Buckley has a new scenario for you to consider. Here's Claudia now with all the details.
Welcome to this month's challenge. Let's take a look at this monthly expense workbook. Each expense is listed in a category table with a last month versus this month comparison. So first, we want to see if we spent more or less money this month compared with last month, and we'll place that in the difference column. Since these are all expenses, the less we spend, the better. Let's use conditional formatting to visually represent that. For expenses where we spent less this month, we want the font color in the difference column to be green. If we spent more, let's make that font color red. And let's also add traffic light icon sets. Then, to finish everything off, we want a chart on the summary page that summarizes the last month and this month subtotals for each category and generates a bar or column graph to visualize the changes between last month and this month. Can you create the graph so that when you add a category to the summary page, it'll show up on the graph? So to recap, we need three things. 1. Conditional formatting for the difference column. 2. A chart for the summary page. And 3. A graph, also on the summary page. We've made these lessons from 2 of our popular Excel courses available so that you can review Excel tables and conditional formatting. If you're more of an advanced user, maybe you can tell us the different ways you can think of to make this graph dynamic.
So, do you have what it takes to successfully complete this challenge? To get started, click on the link in the description and download the files you need. Let us know your progress or any suggestions you might have in the comments section below. Or even better, join the GoSkills Slack channel and chat with other Excel pros about your approach. Link in the description. And if you want to know Claudia's solution, subscribe to this channel. And when we release the solution video, you'll get the full step-by-step rundown of how to solve the challenge. So good luck, everyone.